Political temperatures are rising in Bengal. They're all set to soar as Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to address a political rally in Purulia very shortly, any minute now in fact. This comes 3 days after Mamata Banerjee addressed a rally in her wheelchair taking on the BJP. The Prime Minister in a tweet said that there is a desire for change in the state. He said the BJP's agenda for good governance is striking a chord among the people. The war of words between Modi and Mamata is set to escalate after today's rally by the Prime Minister. Over the next few days, the Prime Minister will be addressing a series of rallies in Kharagpur, Bankura and Kanti areas of the state. This is the Prime Minister's 5th visit to Bengal this year. The last one was in Kolkata's Brigade Ground.
আমাদের প্রধানমন্ত্রী দেশ চালাতে পারে না, টোটাল ইনকম্পিটেন্ট একটা গভর্নমেন্ট চলছে সেন্ট্রালে, একটা অটোক্রেটিক গভর্নমেন্ট, কাউকে মুখে কথা বলতে দেয় না, না আছে ডেমোক্রেসি, না আছে কোনো মানুষের কোনো বিচারের বাণী আজ নীরবে নিভৃতে কাঁপছে, মিডিয়া কথা বললে তাদের উপর চড়াও হয়।
आजादी से पहले बंगाल देश के अन्य राज्यों से बहुत आगे था, लेकिन जिन लोगों ने बंगाल पर राज किया उन्होंने बंगाल को आज इस हालत में पहुंचा दिया।
Suryagni Roy with me live from Purulia. As you can see in these pictures, the crowds have already started to gather. Let's go straight across to Suryagni. What's happening there on the ground in Purulia? What are the expectations? This is going to be a big one, Suryagni.
Well, firstly from Purulia, I would request my camera person to show you what is happening over here. There is a huge crowd waiting for the Prime Minister to arrive over here and make a speech at Purulia. Right? Purulia is one of those areas where the first phase of elections will happen, and maybe that is the reason that the BJP is sending its biggest gun, that is the Prime Minister himself over here, so that they don't leave an inch to battle the Trinamool Congress. Over here we can see supporters of the BJP party. On their body they have painted the lotus. We'll speak to them. Dada, এটা কি করেছেন?
এটা হ্যাঁ বলুন, আপনি বলুন।
এটা আমরা মূলত শিল্পীরা করছি, বেঙ্গল আর্টিস্ট ওয়ারিয়ার। আমাদের একটা টিম রয়েছে, স্বয়ংসেবী সংস্থা রয়েছে, আমরা যারা শিল্পীদের নিয়ে কাজ করছি পশ্চিমবঙ্গে যত। এটা কি আজকে স্পেশাল? এটা আজকের স্পেশাল নয়, এটা বরাবরের স্পেশাল।
ওনার পিঠে নরেন্দ্র মোদির ছবি আছে। So this particular person, he has painted the face of Narendra Modi on his back. So this is the kind of reception that the Prime Minister is awaiting at Purulia. Back to you.
Okay, Suryagni, thanks very much for those pictures. We'll come straight back to you once the Prime Minister begins speaking. The stage has been set in Purulia. Big crowds have been gathered there. And remember, this is the Prime Minister's first rally after Mamata Banerjee in her wheelchair had addressed a rally and set the agenda for this next phase in the poll campaign, where the temperatures are infinitely higher and rising with each passing day. That's the mood there in Purulia, and we will come right back. The Prime Minister will be addressing a rally momentarily.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.